I got these cheap Carbide Lathe Gouge inserts on Amazon, and I figured it would make a perfect video. Alright, so for today's project, we're going to use some 1/2-inch bar stock. We're going to turn part of it around to go inside the wood handle. The other half's going to get milled and drilled and tapped to hold the insert. So let's head over to the lathe. Alright, so now we finished. We got our handle turned on the 1/2-inch stock. We're going to take it over to the mill the slot, drill and tap the hole for the insert. Alright, so we're going to use Cocobolo for the handle. We're going to drill the end to accept the round turned portion of the metal rod, and then we're going to get it mounted in the lathe. Okay guys, one thing to keep in mind is that when you're drilling your hole in for your handle, you should always drill it slightly oversized to the size rod that you're using. If not, you put epoxy down in there, you go to squeeze it out, and it basically creates a hydraulic piston. Liquid does not like to be compressed, so it's going to provide an insane amount of force, of resistance to you trying to insert that handle. So be sure to keep this in mind, drill slightly oversized, allow a path for that epoxy to escape. If you stuck around this long, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next build.